Hello guys, mapagpalang araw sa inyo lahat. Mag-unboxing po tayo ngayon ng perfume ko na nabili sa Arabian Nude. Ito guys, Guinness World of Record sa Saudi Arabia, the largest luxury perfume company for unisex around the world. Yan guys. Ito pala yung nabili ko na perfume guys. 360 Black. Saudi made na perfume. Astig guys. Mag-unboxing tayo. Yan guys. 360 Black perfume for men. Napaka-astig. Arabian Oats na perfume. Bango to guys. Mahal lang. Dito na lang guys. Thank you for watching.